Welcome back, fourth grade. We are finishing up with our circle weavings. So all you need for today is, of course, the weaving that we began a couple weeks ago, and we should have the loom, and we did start weaving a little bit last week with our extra yarn. And then I have a couple more lengths of yarn. You can use different colors. You can use the same color as this, that's completely fine. And then I also have a pair of scissors. So I think I'm gonna go with pink next. So we left this little tail here last week, and what we're going to do is just tie these two colors together, which I know can be a little bit tricky, especially if it's short, but just pull it nice and tight. And then we can keep on weaving just the way that we did before. So I left off under, I'm gonna go over, and then we are just going to keep going and keep pulling it through. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with the pink, and we'll catch back up in a moment. All right, so I went ahead and wove the pink. I think I'm going to add a little bit of purple next. We do not need to fill up the entire plate because we do have this awesome design under here that we want to be able to see. So if you want to switch a color again, same thing. We have our little tail. We're just going to tie the two colors together, which again, I know is easier said than done sometimes. And then once we have it tied off in a nice tight knot, we can keep on weaving over and under. So I'm gonna finish up with the purple, and then we'll talk about how to finish. All right, so you can see I finished with the purple and I have my little tail hanging off here. So let's talk about the really quick steps that you can take to finish this up. So once you're done weaving, we just want to tie our loose end of yarn onto one of the spokes from our bicycle wheel right here that we started with. So we're gonna do that first. And again, I know that it's not always easy, but we can do it. All right, so I'm gonna pull that tight, and I am just going to tuck the end underneath so that we can't see it. So you also probably notice I have this pink end right here. I am also going to tuck that under so that we can't see it. So after you've tied everything off, and after you have, cut any necessary pieces, you are all done. You have a beautiful circle weaving. Great job, everybody.